guys, this is David here. I want you to all support Jordan Hugh and me, and Lee Mott the Fan Man, Tori the Fan Man, and those two, and Spats Bear. They are an amazing crew. And here we go. Here's a Lasko here, Lasko Premium. See that? It's all. Which it was bought in 2019, but the strange thing. Here's the side. Here's the back. It's got the newer logo, but you don't see these no more. Underneath here, there's a problem. It was bought in 2019, but it says 2016. 2016-2017 model. Ooh. But anyways, here is low. And I do use 3-in-1 motor oil on these fans, if you didn't know. You see it's moving a lot of air. We're gonna test it with my test thing here. Like Jordan does. See how much hair moves. It moves that much air. Alright, let's kick it on medium. There we go. See how much air it's moving? Really strong. It was bought in the summer of 2018. Alright, let's kick it on. Hi. Alright, let's do a spin down. This one is a little bit newer, but it's a little bit newer than Power Plus, but so this is it. We're here. Let's start up the sound. It has a startup sound, if you didn't know. These things were made like 2010 or 2011, or in between the old days when they had the market motors, which I really love. If y'all could get me one, I would enjoy it. And another Honeywell with the D blade box fan. I'd love it. I've had those since I've been knowing those since childhood. So here we go. Here's low. Messed up. As you can hear, the motor has a nice hum. Beautiful spin down too. Let's keep it on medium. As you can hear. Alright, next speed is high. We don't spin down a little bit. Alright, here's high.